Hello everyone, today's topic is free fall. When you drop any object, it falls down. This is due to gravitational force. And this is nothing but free fall. Let us discuss its definition. Free fall means the motion of a body under the influence of force of gravity alone. Wherever object falls on the ground, it means there is acceleration involved in falling objects due to gravitational force, and it is denoted by g. The value of g is expressed as like this, where g is equal to universal gravitational constant, m is mass of the earth and r is radius of the earth, and its value is 9.8 meter per second square. But please note, this acceleration is not dependent for the mass of the object. So please remember here m is mass of the earth. Let us discuss this with the help of few examples. Suppose that you are standing on the top of the building and you drop two different things like ball and paper together. So which one reach the ground first? Of course the ball will reach first on ground. But the question arises here is, why not the paper? The reason is air resistance. When objects falling down, the air offers some resistance to them in the upward direction. So the resistance offered to the paper is more as compared to the resistance offered to the ball. So the ball comes down fastly or reaches the ground floor in short time. Let us imagine a room with no air. And if you drop ball and paper from the ceiling, both will fall on the ground at the same time because there is no air to offer resistance. So it's very important point, please note. Acceleration g is constant near the earth. Let us remember all three equations of motion. That is v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and the third one is v square is equal to u square plus twice as. For free fall, we will replace a by g. So we will get v is equal to u plus gt, s is equal to ut plus half gt square, and v square is equal to u square plus twice gs. I hope you have learned this topic very well. Thank you.